Want to know the worst part about leaving home for college? Not having your mom around to do your laundry anymore. Without her constantly nagging you, it's easy for it to pile up. Luckily, the Dormco Zip Zag Laundry Bag makes this process painless. This bag is super durable. Regardless of how many trips you take to the laundry room, this baby is sure to hold up. With a 25-gallon capacity, this bag fits well over 3 loads of laundry. The drawstring allows for easy open and closure and keeps loose socks from falling out during transportation. The front zip pocket is super wide and makes carrying your laundry pods and dryer sheets super convenient. The best part about this bag, it's super versatile. You can carry it as a normal duffel with the handles or unzip the strap to make it into 2. Don't underestimate the weight of dirty laundry. It adds up quick. Now you can wear your laundry bag backpack style for easy portability to the laundry room. The Dormco Zip Zag Laundry Bag makes this painful chore far more manageable.